Welding is a common process for joining metals using a large variety of applications. A weld is a homogeneous bond between two or more pieces of metal, where the strength of the welded joint exceeds the strength of the base pieces of metal. A required length of tube is measured for joining the diagonals of the truss. Then the tube is cut using cut-off machine.
After making the surface readying for welding, hollow tubes are then welded together. Some of the types of welding found in truss joint at construction on convention hall at CSTR. Number 1, T-joint. Number 2, butt joint. Number 3, lap joint. Thanks for watching.